So, I've got some time off work at the minute, and I wanted to spend this time maybe making something, but could not think of anything to make. In one of my previous videos, somebody said this is my favourite version of Richard Hammond. So I thought, if Richard Hammond had a week off his software engineering job, what would he do?
Tear their ass up, simple as that.
So these are the things we need to think about. We've got the pitch itself, we've got how people are going to be able to play the game, how the cars are going to work and be powered, how we're going to know if a goal has been scored. So 4 different things, I think that's everything. So this is the lift system for how the ball is going to go into the goal, roll down to the bottom, and then it will go in through here, and this motor will pull it back up to the top. It's relatively loud. So it's going down, and this switch here clicks, it knows it's at the bottom point and it will stop. So if I flick it on, the lift will come down until it reaches the point there, and then it will stop. I haven't got enough hands. Could you pull that yellow wire? And now it's going to go back up until that limit's reached. So that's how we can make it go up and down. I don't like the way it hisses. Can you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Sort of sounds like, it looks like and sounds like a bomb. So for how people are actually going to be able to play the game, they will log onto the web server hosted on my laptop or my computer. Okay, let me turn the ticking bomb on.
Should I make that noise?
Yeah, it'll be fine. We were to go to the site where it's hosted.
Yeah.
So I press forward, car moves forward, backwards, left, or right. So to control the cars, these haven't been changed yet, these are just normal remote control cars. Down here, you might need to come this way a little bit. We have the actual remote controls for the cars. They've been ripped apart, had a bunch of wires soldered to the back, and then they're being controlled by this controller on the side here. Cool, that'll do. I'll film that up. Thanks. That's gonna be tight. Loads of space.
Let's raise it again.
Put it down your end. Oh, my spine.
Ooh.
We got kicked out of the lounge because
it's your birthday.
Yeah, kicked out of the lounge because it's my birthday. Happy birthday, me.
Yeah.
So for detecting if the ball has gone into the goal, there are a few ways we could do this. We could have made it run over a limit switch, but I thought that was kind of boring, so we've gone with a laser. Where is it? There is a laser, and then a sensor. And then if my hand is to break the laser, breaks the laser, it goes down. Oh yeah. Perfect. So if you're like me, you'd be thinking, well, you must be nearly there. You've got the cars working, the power is almost there, just a few things need tidying up. Logic's working, the arena's done. Yes, you're right. Now welcome to this thing called integration hell. And I'll show you what I mean by this. So let me grab my ball. That doesn't sound right. Let's have a quick look at that. Sugar. Ah. My limit switch has unsoldered itself. Right, that's the next problem. Okay, so surprisingly, that actually wasn't the issue that I was trying to show. I thought that worked fine. This is the issue I'm on about. If I take my ball, for example, and put it in the goal, it doesn't really roll. So that can be fixed with a little ramp. So if I put this here, into the goal, then it'll come back up. No way. This has not worked the 10 times I've shown it. Let's look at that again, shall we? Okay, maybe everything's ready. So I'm gonna call Naomi and see if she'll play with me. Play. Yo.
What?
Do you have 5 minutes? Could you come upstairs and pretend to be interested in my project that I've not stopped speaking about? Is that okay?
Yeah, okay. Hello. I'm in.
I'm the blue car.
I'm the red car.
Well, that didn't quite go to plan. That could be a problem.
Oh. Why is this so difficult?
Ow!
What?
That went in, it just didn't roll down.
Oh! Pretty sure I've never scored in actual Rocket League.
That's why this is just better.
You can still try. Stay still. Stay still, man.
Hit me! Oh my gosh! Yay! Oh! Uh-oh!
You can't have. Oh!
As expected.
I did get one in though.
Yeah. So, any words overall?
Overall.
Was that worth the annoyance I've put to you for the last 2 weeks?
Yes.
Really?
Press, don't go crazy. Arrow keys or WASD.
Oh my
So
god.
we can play Rocket League.
This is the best technology to ever exist and be created. Yeah, if you've worked it out, I managed to not record Kyle's audio. But he was thrilled. So I'll just sort of show you some of the things we did.
Oh, I'm drifting. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yep, I'm just better. This concludes real life Rocket League, and if you want to play, go to www.olliepew.com. Yes, I have a real name other than Ollie Q. That can't be surprising. Although I guess you could have thought my surname began with a Q. Oliver Q. So it's going to be on from this day and time. I haven't figured that out yet. You can create a lobby so you can send a link to your friend and play against your friend instead of playing against a random. If you've got no friends like myself, you could play on your own against someone else. If someone's car flips over, do them a favour and flip it back over. That's probably going to happen. If the ball gets stuck and doesn't come up for your game, I'm sorry, cry about it. If you go on the site and it just says can't reach server, that means I'm probably sleeping because that is really loud or got things to do, so it's not on. It's going to be on for a few days or until something breaks. And if you've got the same question I'd be having, why the hell is there tinfoil on the bottom? If the batteries that power the cars aren't going to last long enough, then I'll make them like bumper cars where electricity goes through a cage above, down through the cars into the floor. As of right now, the batteries might be okay. That's what I'm banking on. That's why there's tinfoil on there. Please share this with your friends, play it with your friends. I think it's kind of cool. I've not seen anything like this before. Anything else you think that's pretty cool that maybe I could be capable of doing, which with my very limited skills? Please put them in the comments. I will take any ideas I can get. Something to work on might be fun for me. So thanks for watching. Adios.